In today's digital world, there are endless possibilities for accessing tools and services that will provide you with alternative ways of making money in the fastest way possible. Most of these are through websites or applications, with the former being the preferred source of quick income. These platforms are pretty good at making you believe you can earn thousands of dollars from the comfort of your home until proven otherwise. Here is a list of the trusted online money-making sites worthy of your attention, and some of them will show you how to make money online for free. Freecash.com is the fastest-growing website to make money online. You can earn money by filling out surveys, completing tasks, seeing ups, or playing games. It's really fun and you can get money with it. When we were editing this video, users have already earned $10 million. It took them only about a year. Nice one, right? You can withdraw your money through PayPal, crypto like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum or Doge, and gift cards, Amazon, Steam, Google Play, Netflix, Spotify, Zalando, PlayStation, Xbox, and many others instantly. They also offer several other withdrawal methods like buying skins to the most popular games like CS, Fortnite, or Valorant. We saw their Trustpilot ranking, 4.6, read some reviews, and saw some rankings, and we have no doubt about this website. If you're looking for the best website to earn money online, you have to try freecash.com. E-commerce is exploding. This is undoubtedly the fastest-growing field on the internet and has endless potential. And why? Well, simply because traditional commerce is being transported over the internet. But there is a smart way to do e-commerce without having a product, without taking care of the delivery, and even without ever touching the product yourself. This is called dropshipping. Dropshipping is the act of being an intermediary between a supplier and a customer. You find a product from a supplier, and you find customers who buy that product from you more than the supplier's price. You earn the margin between the customer's selling price and the supplier's purchase price of the product, and Shopify will help just to do that. Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to create their online stores. To make money with dropshipping, you first need to set up an online store with Shopify. Did you know that there is a more efficient, secure, and effortless way to generate earnings from cryptocurrencies? There are many methods to make money with crypto, but one of the most painless ways is to utilize the Binance P2P product in tandem with Binance Earn. Binance P2P lets users buy and sell cryptocurrencies instantly with different users, while Binance Earn permits new and professional crypto users to efficiently earn money from their current crypto assets. There are numerous forms to generate passive earnings with Binance Earn, from savings products with flexible, locked-in terms to better refined products, including Diffie staking, automated market makers, and more. Binance users can transmit crypto investments from Binance Earn to Binance P2P and effortlessly trade their crypto assets in exchange for their best local currency. Printful is a print-on-demand service, an online app that integrates with your online shop to produce print products for your customers. Printful operates by giving you a complete design platform to design products like apparel, accessories, and homeware. You can produce rapid designs on the Printful platform or import designs that you or someone else has made. Printful, after that, syncs with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce, letting you drive new Printful products to your e-commerce business and sell them to buyers. Printful handles everything, from printing to stocking raw materials, from shipping to returns. This means that you just have to create a website and market the customized products to your customers. When a sale is made, it is sent to Printful to start printing. Printful then packages the product and ships it to your client. As storage, packaging, and shipping are all done by Printful, a great of to how to make money online legit. Llama is an exceptionally unique platform that lets you rent your belongings to those who need them for the price you want. You can earn from an average of $50 a week to $10,000 a month just by lending your unused belongings for a short period of time. This is one of the few online money-making sites without investment that believes that a culture of borrowing over buying must be created. The platform provides you with the privilege of having things you need, but also renting them out when they're lying around in your shack. It encourages you to connect with your neighborhood and puts a stop at buying unnecessary mass manufacturing and carbon-intensive distribution systems. It is something almost everyone can do with pretty much whatever you have lying at home. MyPick is a phenomenal platform that allows artists, photographers, hobbyists, and art lovers to print, buy, and sell pictures as custom-made art and design products. These include a variety of high-quality images and prints which can be used in the form of photo prints, canvas art, t-shirts, and even wallpapers to pillows. With a variety of options available, MyPick is one of the choicest websites to make money as it allows you to celebrate your inner artist at its finest. On MyPick, you can sell your images and earn up to 20% commission. As a matter of fact, in pursuit of pleasure and a bit of self-indulgence, you can print your own images, which is an incredible way to raise your spirits and make more money. MyPick is a terrific website that takes you on a roller coaster of generating income super easily and allows you to take your art and create leverage to another height from the usual. Llama is the epitome for taking user mobility to another level by making electric scooter share programs affordable, accessible, and great for urban centers. This platform allows users to hire scooters or bikes in nearby areas for $1 each month, paving way for empowering cities with clean and environment-friendly urban living. Among contending websites to make money, this platform gives you an even easier option of earning over $200 a week at home. As much as it sounds like a catch, it is true like gravity. You can do this effortlessly by becoming a Llama juicer, line charger, or Llama scooter charger, and then collecting and charging these Llama scooters overnight to be delivered in the morning for extra cash. It's all easy peasy Llama squeeze, isn't it? Doesn't hurt to do a little extra for the environment. Upwork is among the real money earning sites that gives you the quintessential tools to earn money from home in the quickest and easiest way possible. Be it website development, creative writing, sales, marketing, or accounting, etc., the platform gives you the space and network to grow your technical skills like a true pro. If you're looking to put your skills to good use and create a good standing, Upwork falls in the upper class of websites to make money in the most consistent way possible. At Upwork, the percentage of what you earn is calculated on the basis of what you earn from the contractor. For instance, for the first $500 of your bill to the client, Upwork will take a 20% commission. Then from $500 to $10,000, Upwork takes a 10% commission. Then, after you've billed a client with earnings over $10,000, Upwork will take only a 5% commission. This is a premium talent hub and is a big hit among users rather than the usual websites to make money. Clickbank is an online retailer that harnesses the power of digital marketing with 6 million products worldwide to 200 million customers. With its affiliate program, affiliates can promote vendor products from Clickbank's marketplace by generating a hop link and earning up to 7 to 5% in commissions. The platform features a tracking system that is reliable and commissions are made on time, creating an environment of quality, workability, and suitability. This demonstrates a win-win situation for the vendor, affiliate, and client. So if you're looking for reliable affiliate websites to make money, this one actually gives the rest a good run for their money. Searchable is you putting your instinctive administrative skills to use in the best way possible. As a virtual assistant, you can work remotely and take care of tasks that clients don't have time to manage, such as scheduling meetings, paying bills, booking travel, etc. Often, finding such websites to make money provides lesser incentives for work, though. Through Searchable, you can earn from $12–15 per hour as a beginner and make thousands per month. As you go further up the ladder and increase your skill set and experience, you can earn over $5,000 per month like a rock star. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. Now, if you found the content useful, don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to our channel to help us obtain more subscribers and weekly stuff like this. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, guys, this is Rachel signing out.